So this is the deals page, also known as lightning deals and things like that. So deal of the day, lightning deals, savings and sales, coupons, prime early access deals. So that's the 5 different types of deals that Amazon currently runs. Oops, I didn't want to check on that. Oh, I did. Oh, I accidentally pressed the right one. That's pretty cool. So how do you get yourself onto there? Well, the answer to that is a little bit nuanced. I will start by saying that it costs money to run a lightning deal. Typically, it costs $150, give or take, to run a lightning deal on Amazon.com. So factor that in before you do them. And the reason that you would run lightning deals is either for promotional purposes to launch a product or to liquidate stock. Okay, so they're the 2 reasons you run these deals. $150 to start one. However, I just paid for Amazon Prime in America $750 US. Count them. I know you won't. $750 per lightning deal. To run a lightning deal for Prime in America, for the Prime sale, which is, by the way, a 50% increase over last year, which was $500. So the cost of Prime lightning deals is just through the bloody roof. But outside of Prime, it's usually about $120, $150 to run a Prime deal. Now, there are some criteria that you must have in place before you will be eligible to sell your product through a lightning deal. Okay, so you must first of all be a professional seller. That's the only way you can run a lightning deal. You've got to be a professional seller. You've got to have at least five seller feedback ratings per month and an overall rating of at least 3.5. Now 3.5 is the very, very minimum, and it's going to be category specific as well. So be careful of that. You've got to have a sales history. You've got to include any variations on your coin. So you can't just sell one size. You've got to include all your variations. Is there anything else? Oh, and it's got to be Prime eligible as well. All right. So I think that's all the criteria to be able to launch. And then it's just a process of going to your promotions tab in Seller Central and going and running it through a lightning deal, which by the way, I do cover in the modules, how to do lightning deals. So I cover that in the training modules. I can't remember the name, which module it is, but I do know that I do cover lightning deals and how to set them up in the training modules. So go back, refer to those. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.